Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the trending videos tab over on YouTube. So if you want to see trending videos or just the overall trending videos tab, then here's how to do it, because it's actually quite easy. However, YouTube has just been updating this a lot. So all you need to do first is make sure to open the YouTube app just like this. Once you're in the YouTube app, now what you need to do is, once you're here at the home page, you need to click on your top right corner or top left corner of your screen actually, right here on this little compass icon, right here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on trending, because we have this trending tab right here where you want to click on, just like this. And you then have this trending tab, and here are literally all the trending videos over on YouTube, and you can sort them out by now, music, gaming and movies. And that's basically how you can see trending videos on YouTube. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.